Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Alan and welcome back to the Stanky Shack YouTube channel. Today is a very exciting day at my in-laws house. We are hopefully going to get the rest of the roof put on this entire part of the house right here. We have a crew here helping that knows what they're doing, so they're going to help us do these valleys and stuff. And we're just going to basically be assisting them while they're working. And if you're new to this series, my in-laws house was hit by a tornado at the end of 2019. And right now we are helping them kind of remodel and rebuild their house. We've basically repaired most of the tornado damage, and at this point we're kind of just finishing the remodel of the house. But hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll film everything that we work on today. Alright guys, we're done working for today. We got a bunch of metal put up on the roof. It's been a really exciting day because now we don't have to put tarps on top of the roof anymore. Which before, whenever we were done working, we had to spend the last hour of the day re-tarping the roof so stuff wouldn't get wet. So we're really excited we don't have to do that anymore. We are in the dry now. Look at all this metal. Of course, this side was already done. But we got metal on this part of the roof, and there's metal on this part of the roof, and there's metal on all of this roof as well. Just look at all that beautiful metal. The crew that we were working with today does have to come back and finish up just a few little small things. Like there's a trim piece that goes along the edge of this called a rake, and then they do have to finish this, what do they call that, ridge that goes across the top up there. And then this part right now, there's just a ridge cap up there, but like I said, that has to be replaced for the ridge vent, that way the attic can vent. And then this part right here doesn't have anything on it right now, so there is just like a 4-inch gap up at the top of the roof right now. But this is just the garage, so if this does get wet, it won't be a huge deal. Also on this side over here, there's no ridge cap on that, but there are shingles underneath that, so we aren't really worried about that leaking at all. Okay, so that's going to wrap it up for this episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe as well if you're new. And we'll see you guys in the next one.